Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Capital One. Is it a real bank? And if so, what kind of bank is it? I know. This might seem like a silly question. But I've actually been getting a lot of questions about Capital One lately, and I wanted to take some time to answer them. So, what is Capital One? Well, Capital One is a bank that was founded in 1982. It's headquartered in McLean, Virginia, and it has over 100,000 employees. Capital One offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, auto loans, and home loans. So, is Capital One a real bank? Yes, Capital One is a real bank. It's a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. What kind of bank is Capital One? Capital One is a national bank. This means that it's chartered by the United States government and is subject to federal regulations. What are some of the advantages of banking with Capital One? Capital One offers a wide variety of banking products and services. Capital One has a strong reputation for customer service. Capital One is a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. What are some of the disadvantages of banking with Capital One? Capital One can be more expensive than some other banks. Capital One may not have as many branches as some other banks. Capital One may not be as well known as some other banks. So, is Capital One a real bank? Yes, Capital One is a real bank. It's a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. Capital One offers a wide variety of banking products and services, and it has a strong reputation for customer service. However, Capital One can be more expensive than some other banks, and it may not have as many branches or be as well known as some other banks. If you're considering banking with Capital One, I encourage you to do your research and compare their products and services to those of other banks. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.